Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of earwax. Today, we're bringing you a truly eargasmic experience, the unveiling of hidden treasures within your ear canal. Strap in, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, we have a hefty chunk of earwax that's been lurking in the shadows. Just imagine all the microscopic debris it has captured throughout its existence. It's like a tiny time capsule. Next, we discover a unique formation of earwax, resembling a delicate sculpture. Who would have thought earwax could be so artistic? Truly a masterpiece of the ear. But wait, what's this? A secret stowaway. A tiny insect has found refuge in your ear canal. Don't worry, we'll safely remove our little friend and ensure a bug-free zone. As we venture further, we stumble upon a sparkly surprise. It seems that some earwax has decided to become a disco ball, gleaming with unexpected brilliance. Who knew earwax could be so glamorous? Last but not least, we unveil the grand finale, an earwax nugget so colossal it puts all others to shame. This gargantuan glob is a testament to the body's incredible ability to produce this waxy wonder. And there you have it, folks. The eargasmic earwax extraction, revealing hidden treasures you never knew existed. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mesmerizing and mind-boggling ear-related content.
you.